Okay, so you've got your unpainted meta dice and you want to paint them just to make the colors show up a little more. On the yellow and ivory dice, you're going to want to use a black paint marker. I like this one from Marvy. It's oil-based. It's called Deco Color. And painting these is very simple. All you need is the marker, the die, and a piece of paper. I like the parchment paper because it helps get the excess paint off a little better than just regular plain white paper. So all you do is cover the entire die in the paint marker, like so. And I like to wait a couple of seconds before I rub it off, but basically just for demonstration purposes, we'll do that right now. So you just rub the face of it on the paper. Again, I like the parchment paper. It helps get it off a little better. And you can see it's already starting to show up the way you want it to. You just keep rubbing the edges, pressing down. Again, getting better. And there we go. There's a nice filled in die. Again, there's a little extra here that we could rub off. I'm kind of doing this quickly and a bit sloppily. Whoops. There we go. There's a nice 4 right there. Now for the darker dice, the black dice or the others, these generally show up fairly well in the first place, but if you want it to show up a little more, you want to use a white marker. And there's, you can use oil-based or water-based. For some reason, I like the water-based with the white color. So we're just going to do that here, same thing. With these darker colors, especially with black, you might want to do this twice. So as you can see, we've covered the whole thing. And now, I think I'll just use the other side. I'm going to rub it off. Let's see, we're getting there. You just got to be a little persistent to rub off the sides and stuff. The bottom there needs a little work. And it comes off pretty easily. So there you can see. It looks pretty good. There's on the right edge there, looks like we might need a little more paint, but anyways, it's a piece of cake to paint these things, and it's kind of fun too. So good luck.